And this is why I do pirate ship and import them just in case that they might be a little bit cheaper. That saved me $3 using pirate ship on just two different items. That tells you, like, over a year's time how much pirate ship can save you. And
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You ain't bad. Doing okay? What sold on eBay? There was 3 things that sold overnight. First thing was this collector's plate, Indiana Jones and his father, which is Sean Connery, and he's also recently passed away. I have about $1.50 into this. I bought it in a garage sale with a bunch of Beatles plates a year and a half ago now, and it's been great. The Beatles plates are almost all gone. I've got a few left, but they're usually selling for at least $20. Some of them sold for $30, $35. The Abbey Road ones both sold real fast. The next thing sold is this World of Warcraft. This has 5 discs in it for the PC. I have no idea about it. It's 2004. It sold for $14.95. I never pay more than $1 for anything like this at a garage sale. I think I even paid less than that, so that was a good deal. And this is a rookie card, Albert Pujols. Now this is a good example of why you should do simple export through overseas, through your shipping overseas, international shipping. If this would have been global shipping, it wouldn't have been purchased. But since I had $9.95 shipping, it went to Canada, and I probably could have had it for a more expensive price because he probably can't get it for a cheap price. And that's another thing that I like to do that I've learned from our community is to open yourself up to global shipping. I mean, to a simple export because you're saving them a lot more money. And I don't have much money. I put like $30 into this. So if I lose it, it's not the end of the world. And it can make you a lot of money in the long run. What sold on eBay? First thing that sold was this vintage snapback trucker hat, Union Pacific Railroad, and it's got the cool stripes on the bill. I love it. This thing's cool. I kind of wanted to keep it, and you can see it's clean. It has, it may have been worn a little bit, but very little. Doesn't really look like it. But this sold for $19.95. I had it for $30 for a long time. Put it for $24.95, and I sent out offers for $19.95, and it went. I kind of had a lot of them priced pretty high just to kind of see what would go and what wouldn't. And now I'm kind of lowering the prices, selling similar. But, it's cool because it has the American flag look to it. And, of course, this makes a sell having a different color of the, whatever, I don't know what, band or whatever. The other thing that sold, I've already wrapped it up, but it's an Albert Pujols card that is 20 of 25. When numbered like that, low numbered, especially 25 or lower, it makes them worth a little bit of money. Sold it for $20. It sold in a day. It was one of those where I sold it, I didn't comp it, and I probably could have sold it for $5 to $10 more. When it sells that fast, you kind of know. But 2 good sales. $40 a day is about what I'm shooting for, honestly. Since I got my booths, it's not as big a deal because I'm selling 25 to 40 a day there. Just kind of building my store, just so whenever I mow next summer, I'm not going to have to list or source. I'll just be sourcing the garage sales like while I'm mowing, and Saturday mornings, of course, and then just taking stuff to the post office and doing videos. Because I'll have to realign my. It's hard to juggle all the time that I'm doing with all my jobs. But anyway, grind on, friends. And this is why I do pirate ship and import them just in case that they might be a little bit cheaper. This one was the Albert Pujols rookie, and it went to Canada. So I do simple export. It was $8.95. They paid $9.95. So really cheap. This Indiana Jones plate going to Washington was $2 cheaper. No, it was $1 cheaper to go pirate ship over priority mail. And then this one to California, the World of Warcraft is kind of heavy but small, and it was $2 cheaper. So that saved me $3 using pirate ship on just two different items. That tells you, like, over a year's time how much pirate ship can save you. And
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.